It's a bad man thing, I hear. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a review of this unit, and it's the Zury Sis unit in the style Kia, and it's supposed to feel like human hair, version human hair, and I got it in the color natural. And this stuff is like he saved up to 350 degrees, and it's hand tie part. And I got it from Elevate Style for $31.99. I had to make sure I'm giving the right price, so I got it from Elevate Styles for $31.99. and I just want to show you this before I show you the unit. It came in this cute packaging. Like, this is really cute, and it has like Slay spelled on it, but it's just, I thought it was like different. This is my first time getting a unit in such a cute packaging. I just wanted to show it to you guys. But this is what Kia looks like, and it's so, ooh, it is so soft. Oh my gosh, like, it is really soft. It do feel like human hair, and I'm getting few strands just from brushing my hands through it, like combing my hands through it. I got few strands, but it's nothing bad. For cap construction, comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And I like the lace on this. Like, even though it's lighter than my complexion, is it lighter? Or does it match? But it's better. I can work with this. And this is the parting space, which is not bad. Okay, Kia, you got potential. We'll see what you came with. Okay, I'm looking forward to that. And this unit right here is roomy, and it's by Zury Sis. It's another like ooh, it's another side part. It's another side part, and I think I look good in side part, even though they are not my preference. But let me see. The lace is ear to ear. Well, kind of. This one is not. It's not really. It comes on the ear on one part, and the other part, I don't know what's going on. Don't you just hate when hair is like on your face and you're trying to get it and it just doesn't want to come out? So that's what it looks like. And yeah, so I'm gonna go cut the lace off, and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is what Kia looks like after I cut the lace, and I put a little bit of powder on the parting space, and I put a little, like, I took my flat comb and just went like this. Like, and just press it, so, because I feel like it was a little humpy right there, so I just wanted to lay it flat, just a little bit. But yeah, this is Kia. Like, the parting space is not bad. I didn't do anything. Like I said, I just put powder, and then it is shedding. It's not, I think it's because I cut the lace a little too close to the hairline. You know, we do that here and there. We shouldn't. But with this color, the natural color. I just love it, and it's so soft. Like, Kia is so soft, like I'm not even kidding. This is where she stopped me. She's not that long, so she stopped me right on my boobs. She's not that long. And yeah, will I buy it again? Hell yeah. Let me see what colors they have. Oh, they have a copper color. I might have to get her in a copper, I don't know. But for $31, I support this. I'm here for it. I like it. I recommend it. But I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what Kia looks like. Like, the curls in the back are like just nice. But yeah, guys, so tell me, what do you think of Kia? I know for sure I like it. If you end up purchasing it, let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and join the family. And definitely turn on the notification bell so you can be uploaded whenever I upload a new video. And till next time, bye.
It's a bad man tonight.